Good afternoon, everyone. I hope wherever you are on this planet of ours, you're going to be doing something fun for New Year. We're heading out to some fireworks with friends. Obviously, we're really lucky here in Queensland, particularly here in Australia, so I'm very aware this is not what a lot of people will be doing. I'm hoping truth continues to come out, early on in the 2021. There's a lot of people working really hard to shine the light on what's really going on. But from me to you, have a fabulous new year. Don't forget to write down your goals. We're much more likely to achieve our goals when we write them down. And I might even do a dream chart. It won't be for a week. I'm still on holidays for a little while, and it'll take a little bit. But so I'm really hoping to do a goal chart for this year. Feels like the year may actually continue the way as it did last year, so potentially maybe the goals are going to have to be more internal rather than external. How we feel about ourselves, what our dreams are, what our goals are, what our how we want to move through the world as human beings. Maybe this is the time for putting energy into that. Just in case any things like holidays and, big budget fun items aren't allowed to be done. Let's put it that way. Anyway, I've been out on a motorbike ride this afternoon. It was very lovely, out through the mountains, up through Mount Me, and just really, really beautiful day to be out on the bike. So take care, everyone. And if you're willing to share, what are your dreams and goals for 2021? Okay, take care. Have a good one.